What's good, y'all? You feel me? I'm back in on another video. So, as you can see by the title, this video will be about no fap and semen retention. And I feel like this video right here, it has a lot to do with depression and just, it doesn't really have to be depression. It could just be temporarily feeling bad, just feeling bad in general. And it's a big thing on teens too, you know, around my age. But yeah, no fap and semen retention. Hold on. For and this is really for this video is for a male. Okay. Now, no fap. People would say, "Yo, I'm just taking a break from masturbating and ejaculating." It's really bigger than that. As far as no fap, it becomes a challenge for boys. You know, it's a challenge, like who can go the longest. It's bigger than that, okay? And when you call it semen retention, it's a different thing. This thing, semen retention, is just holding it for a purpose, okay? Semen retention is holding it because you know you have, look at it, duck. You know you have a purpose to be holding this energy inside of you, okay? Now let's talk about it. Semen. A sperm it's bigger than just what it is. Like, as we know, it reaches the egg, makes another human. But if a male holds this substance that can reach the egg and make another human inside of him, this male will be able to achieve much more than just the average male that wastes his energy, you know, daily, 3 times a day, 4 times a day, 5 times a day. Don't even want to think about it. But you know what I mean? And yeah, I wanted to get on here because it's a big thing for teens. It's a huge thing for teens. You know, I got some people in my circle, you know, might not even be in my circle. I got people around my age that probably go and do that 5 times a day. You know what I mean? Just a day. And, you know, they're energyless, okay? And what I want to say is, for teens, it's hard. Because back then, 60s, 50s, there wasn't Instagram like models and shit. There wasn't all that, you know. Porn wasn't as easy to access as it is now, you know what I mean? Everything is about sex, you know, rap. It's just a lot of distractions for us males to keep our energy you know, held within us. Okay. Okay, so listen. Here are some benefits, you know what I mean? No. Here's a scenario, okay? Let's say you are a male and you just got done, you know, jacking off, okay? Now that feeling, that orgasm feeling that you get, you're going to get that, you know? After you get that, the dopamine, look, what's happening is the dopamine flies up, and it's a huge dopamine, like, it's a dopamine rush, okay? You're just going, you're feeling good, right? It's an orgasm. And then the dopamine goes down and crashes within a minute, no longer than 5 minutes, you know what I mean? And after the dopamine crashes, you get to feeling this depressed feeling. You get to feeling this, damn, why did I just do that? Why, man, I just can't do anything. I'm just useless. You just get to feeling this desperate feeling, and these desperate thoughts come up into your brain, okay? That is because what's happening is you just had a dopamine rush, and then the dopamine just crashed because you just did that. All right. Now look, like I said, Instagram, they twerking on there. Okay, porn is easy to access now. Okay, the rap, everything about sex, everything is a distraction for you to be energyless as a male. Okay, everything. Okay. Now here I'm gonna name some benefits of, you know, keeping your energy. When you keep that energy that is powerful enough to make another human being, that is very powerful, okay? When you keep that energy inside of you, you are able to do more than the average male could that's around here doing this 3, 4 times, 5 times a day, okay? Because they have no energy. They can't harness, they can't manifest anything because they will just be feeling like, oh, I'll do it later. I'll do this. When you have that energy built up inside of you, you have this burst to get things done. You want to do it, okay? You want to do it. Another benefit, okay? female attraction. Okay, female attraction. Now, like I said, for teens, it's a hard thing to do. Semen retention is a hard thing to do. But look, female attraction. Okay, as you are a teen, you know, hormones or whatever, you as a male, you're wanting, you know, or if you happen to be gay, you know, whatever it is, you know, homosexual, excuse me, whatever it is. But let's just say in this instance, we're talking about a straight male. He's going to want female attention. He's going to want feminine energy around him, okay? So with you wanting that same feminine energy around you, with you doing this every day, 9 times out of 10, you're not going to get that energy around you, okay? Now, let's say you were on semen retention and you had the fact, and you realized the fact that, hey, yo, I need to hold this precious energy, because I realize that my energy is precious, and if I hold this same energy within me, I could just get things done. You know, I could do what needs to be done and stop feeling down and depressed. Okay, because like I said, jacking off is a big part of male depression in teenage years. Okay, because that energy, they're energyless. Okay, you're gonna feel that way. All right, but let's say a male who is on semen retention and he is a teenager. Okay, as far as female attraction, you are already going to be the female. It doesn't even have to be a specific female. Females are already psychologically gonna have some type of attraction to you, but simply because, yo, they don't know what it is. It's just something about you, right? They don't know what it is, but now that I'm telling you in this video, you know what it is. But they don't know. It's just something about you, okay? And you don't even have to be the best looking guy. But what separates you from all these other males that are energyless and, you know, that ejaculate 4 or 5 times a day, you have your energy. They don't, okay? So when the female feels this for you, she's feeling something to be like, yo, I don't know what it is about this guy, but it's something about this guy. And like I say, you don't have to be the best looking. And if you are, you know, a good looking male to a female, and you also are on semen retention, it's just a plus for you. But again, semen retention is just not, it's bigger than just female attraction too. It's for your purpose, okay? You have to care enough about yourself to harness that energy within you. Because when you do, like I said, you're able to achieve a lot more things. You're out of this depressed mindset. You're out of that, okay? You're just in a mindset to where I can do anything, you feel me? You are holding a substance in that can create another human being, okay? That is very, imagine how, just think about how powerful that is. Okay, I can literally create, I'm holding something in for me. I'm holding something in for months and months and months inside of me that can literally create something that I can just talk to, and it can eat, sleep, fart, do whatever just like me. That's a very powerful substance. And when you waste that, no wonder that you're feeling empty. No wonder that you're feeling depressed every day, and you keep feeling the same way. This, bro, excuse me, jacking off is a big reason why you feel that way. If you are to watch this video and you are a depressed male teen, you know what I mean, or a grown man, you know what I mean. You gotta stop doing that. You gotta realize how precious your energy is. You have to have respect for yourself. You have to say, yo, I gotta stop doing this. I gotta stop. I gotta start achieving what I want to achieve, and I gotta stop doing this. You know what I mean? As a man, you have to do that. And look, another point. Everybody has masculine and feminine energy within them, like I always expressed on my channel. Okay? And if you are a male and you harness that, and you harness that that energy, you know, that semen, that's, you know, your sperm inside of you, and you keep it inside of you, you're polarizing your feminine. You're polarizing your feminine energy and your masculine energy. Okay. Okay, polarizing means balancing them. You can't have too much masculine energy if you're a male. You can't have too much feminine energy if you're a male. For example, if you are a male and you have too much masculine energy, I'm gonna say that again. If you are a male and you have too much masculine energy, you're gonna start to carry yourself like, hey, yo, men don't cry. I can't do this. I'm a man. I can't, you know. That's not right. Okay. Men have feelings. We're human beings. We have feelings. Okay. Now, if you are a male and you have too much feminine energy, or you lean towards the feminine side, you're gonna start to carry yourself, like a girl, obviously. And not to criticize anybody, but all that homosexual is just the imbalance of energies. That's all it is. When a male has too much, feminine energy. Fuck. Okay, little dude. But yeah, that's all it is. And when you are a male and you polarize these two energies, you can get a lot more done. Okay. You can get a lot more done. And like I said, the semen retention is doing. It's a lot more than just feminine attraction. Because if you're doing it just for feminine attraction, you're never going to succeed. And if you're doing it for feminine, if you're doing it for female attraction, bro, you might as well just call it no fap then. Because like I said, no fap and semen retention are two different things. No fap is kind of like a challenge. Who can do it the longest? You're gonna fail because the mindset, the how you're thinking about it is wrong. You're just automatically gonna fail. Okay. Now, if you have a semen retention type mindset and you think, hey yo, I gotta boss up and I gotta do what needs to be done for myself so I can get things done. Okay. Doing this is obviously not helping anything. Okay. If you do your research on that type of stuff, you will know that if you hold this same energy inside your body, like, not only will you get feminine attraction, like, you will get like money attraction. Like, a lot of positive things will start to come your way from just this process. Okay, because this is how a male is originally supposed to be. Okay, that's just how it is. But nowadays, with porn, Instagram, all these females that don't respect themselves is what I'm going to say. With all that here, it's a big distraction. But yeah, I'm out here. I just wanted to spit that. You know what I'm saying? With the world getting the way it is, I feel like people or males need to hold their energy because, like I said, your purpose is bigger than you. Okay, when you have no energy, you can't fulfill your purpose. Okay, you need your purpose. You need to fulfill it for yourself and for others because it's bigger than you, like I said. But yeah, I'm out of here.